It was canceled earlier.
To be in danger. The children's names are Slendon Ender Revis. He is a 3-year-old white male with blonde hair and blue eyes. He is believed to be 3 foot and 2 inches tall, weighing 30 pounds. Estelyn Ophelia Atanya Revis is a 2-year-old white female with blonde hair and blue eyes. She is believed to be 2 foot and 10 inches tall, weighing 27 pounds. Authorities say that the children may be in the company of Joshua Dwayne Revis. He is a 31-year-old white male with brown hair and blue eyes. He is believed to be 6 foot 4 inches tall, weighing 190 pounds. They may be traveling in a 2000 Ford Honda Odyssey vehicle. License plate Idaho 2CLL484. If you have any information on the whereabouts of these children, please contact 360-867-2800 immediately. Near 8,500 feet.
Alright. So I heard that there was an Amber Alert issued approximately a half hour ago, and 15 minutes in it was canceled, but they still relayed it. So once they once they send out the activation, it takes 30 minutes for it to send, and I guess they cannot terminate it. So it still came through, and it caught me by surprise as I started to shut down. And as you can see, my radio setup is now heavily whatever. But anyways, the HH54 and 12993 did not activate. 12993 is dead, and the HH54 is just, well, signal interference. But for right now, I guess that's the Amber Alert. That was not supposed to be coming. They canceled it, and it still went off, so hopefully that doesn't disregard any people. So, thank you guys for watching. The child has been found. The children, I should say, they have been found. So, see you guys later.